Hello everyone, so in today's video we're gonna go over the letter H, and as you can see it's made up of 3 individual basic strokes. So we start off with an entrance stroke, follow that up with an ascending stem loop, and then finish it off with a compound curve. And then when we add these 3 strokes together we get our letter H. So again we start off with the entrance stroke there, then we have the ascending stem loop, oopsie, yes. And then we have the compound curve. So now I'm just going to write it down and show you how the letter is formed. So first we do a entrance stroke, and then we go up all the way up to the second ascender, turn a little bit and come back down and finish the ascending stem loop, making sure that the straight line is parallel to the 55-degree slant line, and then we finish that off with our compound curve. So I will just write it again just so you have a clearer idea of how this letter is formed. So again, entrance stroke, then we have our ascending stem loop. When you make your turn, add pressure, maintain the pressure till you reach the baseline, and then we have our compound curve. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.